Hello friends, welcome to our channel Udalum Uirum. In this video, we are going to see 5 natural ways to get healthier bones. Before we see them, let's see the impacts of not keeping it healthier. It is very necessary for us to keep our bones healthier because bone is one of the important organ in our body. Your bones helps you move, gives you shape and supports your body. To have strong bones when you are young and to prevent bone loss when you are older, you need to get enough calcium, vitamin D and exercise. Otherwise, the impact will always be terrible than what you think. Do you ever heard of rheumatoid arthritis, osteoporosis, cervical spondylosis? Well, these are the dreadful diseases you could ever imagine. There are already more than several million people who are affected by these diseases. Expert states that joint pain is the mostly door opener of these diseases. But don't panic. Fortunately, we have some smarter ways to prevent and cure us from all these diseases. For that, all you need to do is to keep your bones healthier. The first way is to get enough calcium. We all know that calcium is the vital thing for our bones. Maintaining it at the proper level is also very important. The recommended amount of calcium per day per person is 1000 milligrams. Foods like beans, millets, lentils, green leafy vegetables, curds, almonds, oranges are calcium rich foods. Gingerly oil is one of the greatest resources which can prevent you from joint pain. It is also necessary to select a good brand to choose from the products available in the market. I would also suggest you to fulfill your calcium needs through diet rather than taking any supplements or tablets available in the market. The second one is vitamin D. Just like calcium, vitamin D is also vital for bones health. Without vitamin D, your body cannot absorb any amount of calcium that you intake because the combination of vitamin D and calcium together makes healthier bones. The greatest source of vitamin D is our solar energy. Every morning, expose your body at least 10 to 15 minutes outside under the sun. This is more than enough to collaborate with the calcium saved from your diet. The next thing is exercise. Exercising regularly is enough to keep your health to the maximum level, and bones are no exception for this. If you do exercise regularly, your body responds to it by getting stronger. Exercising can also help you to maintain muscle strength. Another benefit of exercise is that it improves balance and flexibility. Just keep in mind that your sedentary lifestyle is considered as a risk factor for osteoporosis, so keep moving. A brisk walk or jogging or even dancing can be taken into consideration. This is the only thing if you do which you will never regret for your lifetime. Next thing is quitting bad habits. Stop doing bad to your body so that your body will respond to it nicely. Start by reducing the number of cigarettes you take every day until you feel like quitting it altogether. Not only will your bones thank you, but your entire body will get benefited from it. Also, reduce the amount of coffee you take. Caffeine can make bone erosion, which in turn causes osteoporosis. Excessive alcohol can decrease the amount of calcium from your body accumulated from the diet. So, you should also avoid smoking and drinking too much alcohol. Next thing is one stop recipe that can give you all the nutrients for your bone support. To make this recipe, take 100 grams of raw rice, 50 grams of black urad dal, 25 grams of fenugreek seeds. Soak it overnight. The next day morning, grind it all together and make it as a paste. Add water to it and mix till you get batter-like consistency. Transfer to stove for 5 minutes. Make sure to stir it continuously so that you can prevent from sticking. Add salt. Season it with gingerly oil. Eat it with garlic chili chutney. If you are more fond of sweet recipes, add jaggery syrup instead of refined sugar. Garnish it with freshly grated coconut and a pinch of cardamom. The authentic recipe of India for healthy bones is ready. The ingredients we have added in this recipe are completely natural, and the vitamins and minerals in the black urad dal and fenugreek can help you from joint pain. Intake this recipe at least twice or thrice a month to get the maximum benefits. Finally, it is our responsibility to keep our bones stronger. I hope you follow these methods and achieve healthier bones. If you follow any of the methods other than this, comment it below so that we can all learn from that. I thank you for watching this video.